2024 Buick Enclave. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: third row seating, power driver seat, power passenger seat, power liftgate, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auto dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, leather wrapped steering wheel, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, universal garage door opener, power side view mirrors. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.